Manor Park is our location for this week's episode of Pree Dis. I'm your host, Michaela Leana, and for the next half an hour, it's all about music videos, interviews, and so much more. Stay tuned for the next half an hour for the latest in entertainment and lifestyle. We kick off this week's show with highlights from VP Records' 35th anniversary concert held at Central Park in New York. Check out the highlights.
Also come massive, let me see your butter. All of the race, so come first. Let me see your just wait, make it carnival. Laser, 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 laser. Okay, I say come here, sister.
The show's phenomenal. It's amazing.
Is this your first time at a reggae concert?
It is. No, it's not about a reggae concert. It's my first time at this VP concert. It's amazing.
Is there any artists you look forward to?
I've been looking forward to Egyptian. I don't know, honestly. I'm just so happy to be here.
How are you enjoying the concert?
I'm enjoying the concert a lot.
Is there any particular artist you came to see?
I actually came to see everybody because I haven't been here before. First time at Summer Stage, so it's actually a good show. Even though it was raining, still here. So they're putting on a good performance.
Is there any artist in particular you came to see?
Not really. I think everybody have their style. I love all of them, really, honestly. Like, I listen to all of them, but of course, there's some that you don't see that many in New York, so it's exciting. Nice Saturday in Central Park, like reggae in Central Park. That's really nice.
We're enjoying it because we're here still in the rain, so we having ball.
Give me the rhythm, give me the rhythm, give me the rhythm. I get up from home, I'm pissed. I'm down the long way, them west. So they have me say, what is going on? Them come with high crystal. Cause we don't sway the party. Them see we from the ocean. We like to make them move, make them see them move the show.
How are you guys enjoying the concert?
It's good. Well, I mean, due to the weather, it's a beautiful event, to see diverse people, come out and share a positive experience with the Caribbean people.
Tremendously successful concert. All artists has been very well pushing the culture, and I've really enjoyed it. I mean, the only thing we have a little rain, but it's very enjoyable. I think everybody had a wonderful time.
Brian Greenspoon, who's our director of marketing, put this together, and it's the first concert that we've done as a label and celebrating the 35th, so it's extra special.
The acts are all VP signed. How did you choose the acts that were display today?
Well, there's some of our marquee artists like Maxi Priest, Egyptian, and then we wanted to represent the full spectrum, so we also have soca artists like Bungie and Faye Ann to come out. And then as well we have Massive B, which is a huge sound system here in New York, which is Bobby Conder's Hot 97. So we wanted to make sure it was well-rounded and represented everything that VP represents.
I know that it's raining. We're making the best of the rain. Are you surprised at the turnout?
I'm not surprised. I know everybody will come to a free show, but I'm so happy to see everybody here with their umbrellas, and most people came prepared. I didn't, however, but it is beautiful. It's nice to see people come out. We have a pop-up exhibit of the museum, which chronicles all of reggae's history as well as the label. And we're going to be at Jamaican Jerk Fest, which is at Roy Wilkins Park in Queens. And the same exhibit is going to be there. And we have Romaine Virgo performing, Sanchez, and a lot of celebrity cook-offs as well at the Jerk Festival. So it should be good.
Is anybody ready for carnival this year? I told you I put your one above. I love you so. You never see what it means to me. You never know.
Before we head to our first commercial break, let's listen up to some health benefits of drinking your favorite True Juice orange juice.
Orange juice is widely considered one of the healthiest beverages because of its wide range of health benefits, which includes its ability to boost immune system function, reduce signs of aging, protect against cancer, boost cellular repair and metabolism, detoxify the body, improves circulation, improves blood pressure, reduces inflammation, and lowers cholesterol levels. Make sure you stock up on your True Juice orange juice today.